So hello guys. Yeah, today I'll be introducing a guy to you. His name is Sunday. Sunday is a professional driver. He's a painter. He's a businessman, and he's really successful at what he does. He's really good at it. So yeah, very good. I'll be talking about something, bridging the gap. Now, one thing I've come to realize about life is that everybody wants to be successful. You want to buy this, you want to do that, you want to attain that level and all. But have you always thought about the fact that life is competitive? While you are working so hard at becoming successful, other persons who are working so hard at becoming successful. That job you want to get, another person wants to get it also. But the question is, are you as qualified as your competitor? If the answer is no, then you must focus on bridging the gap. There is a gap between you and the other person. If you studied in a third world country like Nigeria, you study in the University of Badon, and your friend goes to Oxford University to study, when you guys chase the same job, there is a very high probability that he will get the job while you will not get the job, because there is a gap between it. Now, if you went to a polytechnic and your friend went to a university, there is already a gap. Now, if you chose to go to school and your friend decides not to go to school, and you guys have this opportunity to change the same thing, there is a gap. Although some other factors might later come in, which involves skills and connections and all, but basically there is always a gap. So most times, why you don't get what you want to get or what you plan getting, or is basically because there is a gap between you and the other person. So you have to focus on bridging this gap, making sure that you cancel each of them. Now, one step to do this is list out the things you want to achieve, your short-term goals and long-term goals. List them out, then take it one at a time. For example, you want to work in the bank. The first question is, what do you need to work in the bank? If it's Access Bank Nigeria, you need a 2-1 with at least at least a second class upper. So basically, the first thing is you need to get admission to the university. So you need to decide which university are you going to, or would you be applying to. What course would you be studying? And what are the things you need to do? What are the steps you need to take to ensure that you graduate with second class upper? So if you can do that easily, then I can assure you things will be easier for you. So the thing is, there is always a gap between you and what you want to achieve. Now, there is always a gap between you and your competitors. So you need to focus more on bridging the gap between the two of you, between whatever is separating you from your success, or what's going to make you happy. So this year 2022 and beyond, work towards it. Always try and figure out the gap between you and success. Try and figure out what's making the difference, what's not working, what's going to work, and all. Yeah, I remain Israel Ibukola Toja. I'm the founder and CEO of Co and Print Lab Studio, Print Lab TV. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before leaving. Have a great day. Bye.